So in this video you will understand how you can operate Simplex 41GGS panel. So in this video later I will tell you how you can set date and time, how you can disable the points and enable also, and how you can log in the panel. So these are three things that is very necessary for every technicians or anyone who is working at the site. So you have to change time sometimes, or every time you need to, if you have troubles or alarms, you need to disable the devices. So you need to log in the panel. So these are the three important things we will see in this video. Okay, so now we will start. First things first, how you can change date and time. For changing date and time, you will press menu first. Okay, and then after you will see here this buttons, right? Next, you press next. You see here, right? Date, time. Okay, now we'll enter. Now you have to press more information this button. So now press more info. Now you can change the time. See, now it's 4:31. Let's say we can just say for, we'll press this down. You'll go previous and next. Okay, I said this, right? And you can change, also you can change date. Here it will go 10 May, 9th May, or you can say everything you can change here. And just press enter, right? This is how you change the date and time. Now I will tell you how you can log in the panel. For next, to know how to disable the points and log in the panel, watch the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe.